Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting the removal process now. Open Google Authenticator and unlock your phone. Once done, make sure you have recovery codes or a second verification method for each account. This prevents lockout. If you plan to transfer codes, connect devices via internet backup or USB cable and export accounts first. Do not skip exporting or saving recovery codes because removing a code without backup can lose access. Next, we'll locate the specific account entry to remove. Now, find the account you want removed in the app and tap it to reveal options. Use the three-dot menu to choose Export or Delete. Prefer exporting if you need the code on another device. Select Accounts, generate a QR or encrypted backup, and transfer securely. If you choose Delete, the app may prompt confirmation. Pause and verify you used recovery codes. Make sure the receiving device accepted the transfer before finalizing deletion, because reversal is often impossible. Finish by confirming the deletion in Google Authenticator and immediately test logging into the associated service to ensure you still have access. If login fails, use the saved recovery codes or alternate 2FA method you prepared earlier. Make sure to update any other devices that use the old code. If you're locked out despite backups, contact the service provider's support and be ready to verify identity. This is the key troubleshooting step if deletion caused an access problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.